1inch is a DEX decentralized trade aggregator that professes to empower quick, worthwhile and secure tasks in the DeFi decentralized finance space by directing and associating numerous driving DEXES1. 1INCH is the symbolic that drives the 1inch organization biological system. It works with numerous tokenomics and fills in as an administration and utility token2. 2 years after their send-off, their tokens wind up recorded on north of 50 trades and stand out enough to be noticed with the rising prevalence of DeFi. Be that as it may, 1INCH is still moderately new in an always developing business sector. What precisely is it, and how much potential does it have? Has it balanced out at a legitimate cost, or does it actually have space to develop? 1INCH, Price Prediction 2022. Beneath we investigate 1INCH and inspect a few subtleties as well as expectations to gauge a sensible cost for 2021, as well concerning the impending years. It ought to be noticed that while value expectations depend on information and frequently are examined by AI, they ought to never be taken as monetary counsel or a strong reason for a venture. It is in every case strongly suggested clients do their own examination into the tasks whose tokens they wish to put resources into. What is 1inch network, 1INCH? The 1inch network joins decentralized conventions whose collaboration empowers the most worthwhile, quickest, and safeguarded tasks in the DeFi space. The 1inch network's most memorable convention is a decentralized trade (DEX) aggregator arrangement that searches bargains across numerous liquidity sources, offering clients preferable rates over any singular trade. The 1inch aggregation protocol consolidates the Pathfinder calculation for finding the best ways across over 200 plus liquidity sources on Ethereum, BNB chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Optimistic Ethereum, Arbitrum and Gnosis chain. In a little more than 2 years the 1inch DEX aggregator has arrived at 1M clients and outperformed $120 billion in general volume on the Ethereum network alone. The 1inch liquidity protocol is a cutting-edge robotized market creator that shields clients from front-running assaults and offers alluring open doors to liquidity suppliers. The 1inch limit order protocol works with the most imaginative and adaptable cutoff request trade open doors in DeFi. The convention's highlights, like unique valuing, restrictive orders, and extra RFQ support, power different executions, including stop misfortune and following stop orders, as well as sell-offs. The 1inch wallet is a multi-chain portable stage that furnishes a simple to explore interact with secure putting away, exchange, and marking capacities. This adaptable wallet was worked starting from the earliest stage to smooth out communicating with 1inch's elements. The 1inch network's administration token 1INCH is utilized to decide on convention boundaries under the Decentralized Independent Association (DAO) model. In August 2020, 1inch got a $2.8 million financing raise from Binance Labs, Galaxy Digital, Greenfield One, Libertas Capital, Dragonfly Capital, FTX, IOSG, LaunchHub Ventures, and Divergence Ventures. In December 2020, 1inch brought $12 million up in Series A financing, drove by Pantera Capital, with others including Parify Capital, Blockchain Capital, Nema Capital, and Spartan Group. The financing round was directed through a SAFT, Basic Understanding for Future Tokens, deal. 1inch token price prediction. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of the more extensive market drops, affected by seething expansion and US Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Crypto Vault Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and basic evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 1INCH, Price Prediction 2025. Our forecast model sees 1INCH coming to $1.54 in 2025. What will 1INCH be worth in 5 years? The cost of 1INCH in 5 years could lie around $1.39, as per Crypto Vault expectation model. 1inch Token Price Prediction 2030-2040. What 1inch network will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees 1inch network coming to $3.86 in 2030. What 1inch network will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees 1inch network coming to $7.72 in 2040. Will 1inch network surpass Bitcoin? No, 1inch network won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could 1inch network at any point reach $10? Indeed, 1inch network could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Could 1inch network at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for 1inch network to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. Is 1inch network worth purchasing? We are supporters of tolerably dangerous money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bin of large cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with tremendous potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique circumstance, 1inch network merits purchasing. Is 1inch network a wise speculation? 1inch network is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down, in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will 1inch network be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0.3782. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could lead to $3.86 or much higher. For what reason will 1inch network succeed and get more expensive? 1inch network has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees 1inch network ascend